시선 끝에 너와 나를 남기고파.
Okay. Oh. Oh. That was really cool. Okay. Unknown number. Hello, cleaning service? We have some dirty windows at home. But we are busy during the day, so her job would be done at night. Don't worry about it, though. You'll be paid up front. I will send the address to you. Totally not suspicious. I mean, it doesn't sound... Oh. Oh, damn. You got a lot of fucking windows. Okay. Hello. You required cleaning. Ooh. Rich people. Love it. This is like a... Oh, I can't. A lot of windows. Oh, that's totally not suspicious. There's blood up there. Okay. Hello. Oh, okay. Oh, do I have like a crew? Or is it just me? Oh, okay. Start cleaning. Oh, okay. And spray? Okay. Get towel. Okay. How do I do that? Oh. Oh. Dude, you know what? I actually always wanted to have a job like this, but I don't like heights. So even though you'd make a lot of money, I wouldn't want to do it just for that reason. Oh. Dude, we have just this like set up. Oh. Oh, this is great. All right. This is like really relaxing. Oh, I see. I see. Let me spray that again. Sorry. Oh, I'm guessing I have to like maybe use the sponge after? Maybe? Yeah, okay. Yeah. I see it. May need to respray the window multiple times. Totally, I get you. Come on. Oh, perfect. Need to get a curtain. Just saying. Oh, I get it. I get it. I get it. Ta 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 ta. Hey, please don't jerk off. Or I'll take a photo of it. Da, da, da. Hey! Don't mind me, I'm just, doing my job. Sorry if I'm bothering your jerking off hour. You can continue. Bye-bye. This is great. Oh. I said this before. I think there should just be more horror cleaning games. And that did happen! One just came out! I want to play it really badly. I don't know when, though. I don't know when I'll be able to. But I definitely want to do it. Because I think it's like the perfect horror game, you know? So there's a mask on that dresser. Oh, big. Hey. Ta 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 ta. Oh, he's got spiders. Spray it just so that I don't have to spray it again. Aw, damn it. Waste of product. I hope the company is the one paying for that. You know, there's some cleaning companies where like they will make you pay for the cleaning product. Like they won't pay for the cleaning product. Like I think that's kind of bullshit. Like you hired me to do a job, you know what I'm saying? I should not be paying for that. Uniforms, maybe I understand, but not really. Because why? Oh, okay, there's just... I guess you guys just like that mask, I guess, huh? Oh. Sorry. Ah. Ooh. Oh, there's a firefly. Alright. Magical. Alright. Dude, this house is huge. Do we, like... That's for what she's watching. Oh. That's a weird shaped staircase. It's like, it's not spiral, but it's not straight up and down either. Oh. Someone's going upstairs. Nice. Ugh, wow. This game's great. Dude, you have a room for freaking washers and dryers? Dude. I already knew they were rich, but like, come on. Usually you only have like basements or sometimes they have like room extensions on the side where you can have your laundry done. But I've never seen like a laundry room this big. Dude, you're grateful to get freaking a laundry room in an apartment complex. My bottle's empty. Better grab some more cleaner from the back of my truck. Alright. Must have dropped my keys somewhere in the yard. Alright. Yard? Oh, I see him. I mean, I had to move the truck, but, sense, but sure. Get up. Oh, look at that. Dude, spotless. So good at my job. Cute. Back to where I left off. Oh, do I do, like, internal cleanings, too? Oh. Okay, someone, Oh. Not my circus, not my monkeys, alright? Not my circus, not my monkeys. See, when you have jobs like this, and let's say you see something suspicious, and you don't think you're safe, this is when you just finish your job, and then leave. Then you call the police after you're in a safe place. Like, even just like going to the police station after your job is done is better than calling the police and making a scene now. Because as long as you just act like you haven't seen anything, you know nothing. You know nothing. You're not a snitch. You do not get involved until you are safe. I think a lot of people put themselves in a lot of situations where they shouldn't be because of that. Okay, either they're under the bed hiding, or they've been dragged under the bed. Or because they were killed. That answers my question. Huh. What's up with the masks, guys? Like, seriously. What's surprising is they're so rich that they don't have screens. You know? Like, some people, you know, poor people, we just have, like, we have the glass, and then we have screens, and then no other glass on the other side. Oh, this guy wanted to be recognized. He wanted to be noticed. But some other people, they, you know, they actually have, like, internal screen and then another slide of glass. Oh, they're having a birthday party. What, is this like an apartment or? Hey, gonna be gone. Oh, God. Dude, I'm not saying anything. Okay. Da 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 da. Hey, if he's telling me to shush, I'm being fucking quiet. They said they're gonna pay up front. My only thing is, if he's going to kill them, can he give me the money that they were gonna pay me? Because I don't care. Except not my circus, not my monkeys. Would you guys get involved? I don't know. I feel like a lot of people would. It's not my job. Oh. Damn. Slacking. Hello? Oh, okay. Like, again, what the fuck? How? We didn't get to see the first 4 like, rooms, so we don't know what's in there. But they have a living room, a bedroom, and then they had a bathroom and then a laundry room downstairs. So that means, and then now there's a dining room up here, there's a kitchen up here, and then another big bedroom on the right. But look, like, there's stuff back there, so, like, what other rooms do they have back there? You better let me go. Okay, that's my only things. Let me go. Pay me and let me go. I'm not saying shit. What if he hires me to come inside to clean it up? Oh. Gunshots. Used to hearing that in my neighborhood. Oh my god, what if we have like this like cute moment where we like put our hands to the glass romantically and then, you know, he puts his hand over the glass and we have a little moment. Like, I'm not gonna say I can fix him. What if I want him broken? You know? There's still a couple windows up there. This is fun. I love games like this. Like, farming games are fun. Fishing games are fun. Cleaning up murders. That's also fun. Okay, spot it here. Oh, dude, even the sound effects of the spray bottle. It's just so satisfying. Okay, big kitchen. Oh, what's this? Oh, okay, that's just the attic. But then, again, there's like another door. So that means there's like bedrooms too. Like they have more rooms. There was a chair there that was knocked down. Okay, whatever. Okay. Do what you gotta do. Like, all I have to do is, depending if I have to clock in for this job or not, I could just lie when I got here. Like, legit, I can lie about where I was. There's another mask. He's okay. So they have white masks with black faces on them. He has a black mask with red, like, oh, the mask is gone. So like, is this like, is he a bad person? Because all of them have one, you know? So like, is he just either to like work together and they screwed him over, or he's just trying to kill? There's a hat. Was he wearing a hat? I feel like he was wearing a hat. The mask. Is he dead? Did he die? This is really interesting. What the fuck? The fuck was that? Do I have to be concerned about that? Please don't kill me. I'm just trying to do my job here. Tiny windows. Just trying to do my job. See? What did I tell you? What did I tell you? I think they're a part of it. I think they all work together, and he was just trying to like, you know, something. They're gone now. Am I gonna get paid? Am I gonna get paid? Hello, cleaning service? We need some window cleaning at home. I fucking knew it. I knew it. They were part of it. See, I understood. I understood completely. The story was that they're just a fucking house of murderers, and then there was someone else that was breaking in, and that was either okay, he was either a murderer who was going to kill them just because he wanted to kill them, or he was killing them because they were murderers. You know what I'm saying? Like, he was like coming to the source. Maybe he had a family, maybe they killed that family, and then he came back for revenge, but then they killed him. Like, if they killed him back, that means like, oh look, there was like 2 other people unaccounted for. They were there the whole time. I wonder if I'm getting this right. I feel like this was a conspiracy, and he was trying to help me. But now I'm not getting paid! This sucks.